Hello guys, welcome to another Saturday meal. Y'all come on up to the bar. You know what time it is when you hear me say welcome to another Saturday meal. This time we are going to do blackened catfish. And you can make anything blackened for us to fish with whatever seasoning you use. Of course you guys, you know I'm using my rub here, my chicken rub. So I have some catfish fillets here, and the only thing you want to do is rinse them off good, okay? And then pat it dry. And what you see on here is some seasoning that I had already did the other ones with. Alright? Then you're going to take your olive oil or grapeseed oil. I happen to have grapeseed oil, so that's what I'm using. I'm just going to put some on here, because when you blacken your catfish, you want a little oil on the fish as well as in the pan. Alright, so that's what you want to do here. Now I'm going to take my poultry rub here, chicken rub, poultry rub, y'all know, my rubs, all my rubses. Yeah, Smarty says, Smarty Pants always say multi-purpose seasoning. I just asked her because she used the other seasoning, because she's killing this one.
And what did I say, Mom?
It's a multi-purpose seasoning. So is the other one. Okay, so you just want to rub it in, pat it down, flip it over. Okay, put some more on there.
As I recall, you told me, you said, do you have to use the barbecue rub all the time? I don't want everything to taste like barbecue rub. So then I switched it, and now you telling me to stop using that one.
Because she's using the heck out of this one. Oh
what
my God.
do you want me to do?
Buy some.
Okay.
You ain't gonna buy none right here being made.
You're my mammy.
Alright.
I'm not entitled to it. My money ain't good. My money ain't good.
Your money ain't good here. Okay. So that's all you want to do. So I'm gonna move this real quick. Okay, so I've already put some of my chicken rub on here, and this is how it looks. You can let it sit for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes so the marinade or the seasoning can really get into that. And guys, what you could do to this right here, go ahead and season up your catfish or your fish fillets, whatever kind of fish you want, using my chicken rub at www.carlissspices.com. Let me repeat, because you guys seem to ask, where can you get it at? And it's plastered across the screen.
It's right there at the bottom.
At the bottom of the screen.
Throughout the whole duration of the video.
So it's www.carlissspices.com. Now back to this. What you could do is go ahead and make them individually. So you want to put them in the pan. You want to flash freeze them, meaning that you don't want it frozen, but you want it a little frozen. And you just want to separate it while you're doing that. And when you do that, then take them out, wrap them up in saran wrap tightly. Okay, I told you guys how to do that. Wrap them tightly individually. Put them in a Ziploc bag, a freezer Ziploc bag. Take the air out of it. And anytime you want some fish and you talk about, oh, I don't have no seasoning, they're not seasoned, or you know, blah blah blah, they're seasoned for you. Just take them out when you need them. All right, there you go. So I'll come back with my next step. So with the blackened fish, you can do this on in an iron skillet. I have one, but my iron skillet seems to stick some, because somebody keeps putting it in the dishwasher.
I ain't put that skillet in a dishwasher in many years.
And that's why it's not working for many years.
Can't you just put some more oil in and put it back in the oven?
I don't feel like doing all that. So anyway, I got my Eurocast. It's almost like a cast iron, but it's not quite. And I have it heated. So to do the blackened fish, you definitely want your skillet heated. So I am going to put, you can put olive oil or grapeseed oil. And that's probably about 2 tablespoons. And I like to use...
Which one would you prefer?
What?
Oil.
Olive oil. The grapeseed oil is not bad.
Why do you like olive oil better?
Ooh, I guess because I like the taste.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm putting some butter in here, maybe about a tablespoon.
What happens if somebody wanted to use coconut oil?
They
or
can.
Almond oil or...
Yeah, no. Everything tastes like almonds. I do not like cakes, pies, or whatever with almond extract in there. And definitely don't like ginger in sweet potato pies or anything like that. I don't know. So here's my filet. I'm going to lay the skin side down. Okay, and I'm only going to put one in here. And I'm not going to let you guys sit here and watch me do the whole thing. So you just want to get that going. I turn my eye down a little bit. I think I need to turn it back up. Okay. So you just want this to blacken on one side. And these are thick cuts. So I said it may take about maybe 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright? Can somebody tell me on the utensils? Because I can't use metal in here. And I don't want to use metal because these are some very expensive pots and pans. The Miss Smarty Pants they got me for Mother's Day last year. I need a good set of utensils that has, what do you call it, like the silicone at the end? Yeah, because I've been going to Walmart and buying this old flimsy plastic crap that I think I melted the handle on it one time.
You did.
Okay.
You left it in a skillet when you made eggs one day.
Okay.
And went to the bathroom.
Okay. And I'm coughing is because my spices are pretty potent. I got this little ratchet comment that's like, oh my God. Said that, you know, hacking and coughing and sneezing and all that. Boy, go get a job.
Oh. Oh my gosh, I got it all over the fish, my bad. There, is that better for you?
Y'all know she's crazy, right? You'll tell you. And I kind of like just like taking the oil and just kind of going on top of this a little bit. And so, yeah. Alright, even though that hasn't been 2 to 3 minutes, but I'm going to try to flip it over. See, that's what you want.
Blackened catfish.
Blackened catfish.
Make it taste better.
No, it's you! Yeah. So this is what you want it to look like. So let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It all depends on the thickness of your catfish or your fillets, okay? If it's thin, then it'll only take about 1.5 minutes. Alright, I'm going to finish these up and I'll come back. Okay guys, so here is my blackened catfish that made with my chicken rub there. Some kind of wonderful, because that's what it is. Awesome sauce. And I made the cheesy rice. I'll put that link in the description box on how I made it with a couple of wedges of lemon, well, slices of lemon. And guys, this is good. I think it's healthy. You got your rice, you got your fish, you got some lemon, and you got your parsley.
That's cilantro.
Well, cilantro, they all look alike. You got that, so yeah. Guys, make this. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to have to keep telling you guys to share, share, share. Smarty Pants says sharing is caring. And if you don't share me, apparently you don't care for me. Oh, wow. Too bad for me, right? And subscribe, rate, comment, tell your friends, tell everybody. Here is my blackened catfish, guys. So, like I said, it's good because I taste it. It's really, really, really super good. Super, super duper good. Alright, so you guys tell me what you like for me to say at the end of my my videos, because I'm running out of quotes on my own, okay? So I'm running out of quotes. You give me a good, inspiring, uplifting quote, and I will put your name in the description box or in the credits of where the quote came from. So you guys help me work on my quotes, okay? So as I always say, stay loving, be loving, as I always love you. I really do. Miss Smarty Pants to say.
Bye.
Yeah, I'll see you next Saturday.